Hello everyone. Today we're going to be introducing function notation. You know equations as being written as y equals mx plus c or y equals 3x minus 4 is an example of an equation that you know. This equation shows you that the value of y is a function of x. What I mean by that is that the value of y depends on the value of x. So if you change the value of x, then the value of y will change as well. Another way of writing this is to use function notation. So instead of writing y equals 3x minus 4, you would write the f of x equals 3x minus 4. Why do we use function notation? One of the reasons is that function notation makes it easier for us to see the value of x when it is substituted into a function. So, using the same function that we're talking about, 3x minus 4, if x is 5, you will write it as the f of 5 equals 3x minus 4. If f is 1, you would write the f of 1 equals 3x minus 4. Let's quickly calculate those to figure out what the y value would be. F of 5 equals 3x minus 4. What this means is that where I see the value x or the letter x, I am going to substitute the number 5. So 3 times 5 is equal to 15 minus 4. 15 minus 4 is 11. And that's my answer. F of 5 is equal to 11, meaning that the y value is 11 when x value is 5. So for the f of 1 is 3x minus 4 would become 3 times 1. So wherever I see x, I put the number that is in the brackets. 3 times 1 minus 4. 3 times 1 is 3 minus 4 equals minus 1. So the f of 1 equals minus 1, which means y equals minus 1 when x equals positive 1. The f of x equals 2x plus 6. Find the value of these 5x values. Okay, so the f of x equals 2x plus 6. F of 3 equals 2 times 3 plus 6, which equals to 6 plus 6. 6 plus 6, which equals to 12. F of 10 equals 2 times 10 plus 6, which equals to 20 plus 6, which equals to 26. F of a half equals 2 times a half plus 6, which equals to 1 plus 6, which equals to 7. F of minus 4 equals to 2 times minus 4 plus 6, which equals to minus 8 plus 6, which equals to minus 2. The f of minus 1 comma 5 is equal to 2 times minus 1 comma 5 plus 6. Let's calculate this. So it equals to plus times minus is minus. 2 times 1 comma 5 is going to be 3 plus 6, which equals to 3. Another way, you could use any letter. So we know it as the f of x, but you can use the g of x, the h of x, the k of x. So in this equation, we've got the g of x equals x squared plus 2. Find the value of g of 0, g of 3, g of 10, g of minus 2, and g of minus a half. The g of 0 is equal to 0 squared plus 2, which equals to 0 plus 2, which equals to 2. The g of 3 is equal to 3 squared plus 2, which equals to 9 plus 2, which equals to 11. The g of 10 is equal to 10 squared plus 2, which equals to 100 plus 2, which equals to 102. The g of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 squared plus 2, which equals to 4 plus 2 equals to 6. The g of minus a half is equal to minus a half squared plus 2, which equals to minus squared is positive, 1 squared is 1, 2 squared is 4, so it becomes positive a quarter plus 2, which equals to 2 and a quarter. Okay, that is how we use the function notation. So function notation has everything to do with being able to see what is the x value that you substitute and what is the y value that you get as an answer.